Travel duffels typically offer tons of space, whether you're loading up the car for a road trip or headed out on a long-term getaway. In this video, we're going to be talking about 10 travel duffels to help you find the best one for your needs. I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to better gear. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ringing that bell icon for notifications. We're not talking about gym bags here. These bags range from duffel and backpack hybrids to some that open up clamshell and everything in between. We have a full detailed guide on how to choose the best duffel for you, so feel free to use the link down in the description below to open that up in another tab and follow along with this video. Let's dive in. The Mission Workshop Transit Duffel is our highest rated travel duffel that we've tested to date. The tactical vibes and built-in structure set it apart from your typical travel duffel. This bag also has 6 external pockets to help you organize your gear. The front and the back pockets are spacious enough to fit a pair of hiking boots, while thin pockets underneath make a good spot for flatter items like a travel wallet. There's also a water bottle pocket on each side that's large enough to fit a notebook. Besides all the pockets, there are several other features that allow for additional customization. Last straps on the front and back keep your items secure and can also be used to strap a yoga mat or umbrella into. And the snap system at the bottom allows you to attach the bag to your bike for outdoor adventures. Next up, the spacious main compartment. Here there are even more large pockets for your small items with some open space for packing cubes. The TPU-coated ripstop interior does have a bit of a crinkly sound. It's a little off-putting when using the bag, but it does offer some great weather resistance. Even though we like all the organization this bag offers, it's not the most comfortable to carry when fully packed, since there's no padding on the shoulder straps. Peak Design's 35-liter travel duffel blends the simplicity of a duffel with premium materials and an innovative design. Leather accents, aluminum buckles, and magnetic closure gives the bag a professional and futuristic feel. Beyond its swanky looks, this bag can also be carried via the handles, crossbody strap, or backpack style. We prefer to carry a duffel style since it is a duffel bag after all. The padding on the shoulder strap goes pretty far down the length of the strap compared to other duffels we've seen, making it more comfortable to wear no matter how you have it adjusted. We didn't find it to wear super comfortable as a backpack, but Peak Design does a great job at maintaining that clean look in both duffel and backpack style. For backpack mode, just hook the handles onto the nylon loops on the side. At first, we were skeptical as to whether or not they'd stay on, but there's an indentation in the aluminum that keeps things secure. And you can use the magnets to fold down the edges to give it more of a round backpack shape. There's also several pockets on the outside to help organize your gear. One side has a wide pocket for quick grab items, while the other side features a much bigger pocket with mesh slots for your wallet, phone, and passport. Meanwhile, the main compartment keeps it simple with a large open space and mesh pockets on either side. The Pakt One travel bag is a unique duffel because it opens fully clamshell into 2 distinct compartments on each side. These large buckets make it easy to organize your stuff with a mesh window on one side and laptop sleeve divider on the other. This bag is a good pick for carry-on with several features that make it easier to get through security at the airport. Horseshoe zippers on each side allow you to easily grab things out of the main compartment that need to go into a separate bin like your toiletry bag. And when packed light enough, it can fit the personal item dimensions on some airlines that charge extra for carry-ons. It even has a mesh TSA-friendly pocket on the back for you to dump out your pockets, which we haven't seen on any other bag so far. The Pakt One has a smart design overall with leader independent front pockets and attachment points on the outside to add additional accessories. While we dig the professional aesthetic, loose threads and abrasion marks that developed during testing give us long-term durability concerns. It's worth noting that we saw these issues on the gray colorway of the bag, and some of the other colorways are made with different materials that are more robust, so check out our full review for more details on that. Link down below. The Pakt One has sort of a cult-like following, and it's always being praised in our Pack Hacker Pro community and right here on YouTube. Pack Hacker Pro is a welcoming, like-minded group of travel enthusiasts who know a thing or two when it comes to packing light. Joining Pro gives you access to community-driven information, giveaways, exclusive content, and our deals vault with discount codes for a variety of brands. So check out Pro to support our channel and get access to a great community with other benefits. Link down in the description below. Let's get back into the duffel shuffle. Next up, we have a classic, the 40-liter Patagonia black hole duffel bag which is known for its sporty vibes and recycled materials. The TPU-coated polyester exterior has a slick look and provides great weather resistance. Meanwhile, nylon webbing on the front allows you to attach accessories like a water bottle when you're on the go. This duffel can either be carried by the handles or the shoulder straps in backpack mode, which we're not that big of fans of. They're relatively thin and don't offer much comfort and are difficult to adjust while wearing the bag. It's almost like these strap adjusters are backwards since you have to pull them towards your chest to tighten. And without any strap keepers, they are left to flap around at your sides. These strap issues don't really surprise us as backpack and duffel hybrids rarely excel at both styles. The great thing about this bag is the sheer amount of space in the main compartment. If you were wondering why it's called the black hole, look no further. It's basically an endless void for packing cubes and pouches. It also has a front pocket for small items that's accessible from both the inside and the outside. The entire bag can actually be packed up and compressed into this pocket for storage, although the rigid fabric makes it quite the challenge. Before you head out on your next adventure, grab the North Face 32-liter Basecamp Voyager Edition. Its tarpaulin exterior is water-resistant, lightweight, and made from recycled materials. Plus, lash points across the exterior allow for additional customization. There are a few key pockets on the exterior of this bag. This includes a shoe compartment with a mesh panel on one side. The other side has a smaller pocket for essentials, and there's a laptop compartment near the top for a 15-inch device. We found that the placement to be a bit odd as it can weigh down the bag and make it cave in if it's not full. Plus, your laptop can become a frame sheet, which adds a lot of pressure while you're wearing it in backpack mode. There's one more pocket on the front, but it's best suited for a water bottle when the bag is worn as a backpack. Yes, this is another duffel backpack hybrid that comes with the same gripes we've had with similarly styled bags. The shoulder straps aren't super comfortable, and it has the same backward strap adjusters as the Patagonia black hole duffel, making it awkward to adjust while wearing. This bag does at least have strap keepers to help with the dangling. Inside, there's an adjustable divider that helps you segment your gear however you'd like, or remove it completely if you prefer more open space. Despite the issues with it in backpack mode, the North Face Basecamp Voyager is a solid duffel. It's a briefcase, it's a duffel, it's a backpack. Nope, it's the Bihn Aeronaut 45. Even though it can be carried as all three, we found the briefcase and duffel styles the most comfortable. Just note that the crossbody strap is sold separately. The transition from backpack to duffel is seamless. There's a stowaway pocket for the straps and hidden garage for the buckles so they don't stick out. We did find the padding on the shoulder straps to be just so-so, and the bag tends to buckle when not fully packed. The Aeronaut also offers several pockets to help organize your gear. There are two large pockets on either side with a smaller vertical pocket attached. While these pockets are really deep, resist the urge to overstuff them as they will compete for space. A horseshoe zipper opens up the main compartment, which is basically a bucket with a few interesting features. There's a mesh pocket for small items on the opening flap, and zippers at the bottom so that you can release the side pockets for more space inside. And tabs at the bottom of the bag can be used to add compression straps or a laptop cache, since there's no dedicated area for a laptop on this bag. The Topo Designs Classic Duffel is a straight up no frills bag. It's got that traditional round shape with a cavernous open main compartment. For internal organization, there are two simple zippered pockets and a bright key leash. The only real feature on the outside of this bag is a few leather lash tabs or pig snouts where you can clip on accessories. We like the lack of bells and whistles because it keeps the bag looking simple. What this bag lacks in organization, it makes up for in durability. It's made out of sturdy 1680D ballistic nylon with beefy YKK zippers and thick seatbelt strap handles. Plus, a leather clasp on the handles makes it easy to carry in your hand. Just note that while different colorways use slightly different materials, they all feature leather accents. So it's not a good pick for travelers that want to avoid animal products. At the time of this video, the Topo Designs Classic Duffel only comes in a carry-on compliant 25.7 liters, making it another good pick for air travel. Aesthetically, the air travel duffel is durable, sleek, and minimal. The 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon, beefy YKK zippers, and black on black color are pretty synonymous with their products. This digital duffel offers some smart organization, making it a good pick for digital nomads and remote workers. The front pocket has a sleeve for a notebook or tablet, along with several zippered and mesh pockets for cables, chargers, and other accessories. We like how this compartment keeps your electronics separate from your clothing and other gear. The back of this bag features a laptop compartment, but it doesn't have a false bottom, so we recommend using an additional laptop sleeve for protection. Other external components include a gusseted water bottle pocket and quick access pocket that makes a convenient pocket dump when going through TSA. There are also compression straps on the top to keep the bag low profile if you want to use it as a daily driver while exploring. The main compartment opens up clamshell to a huge bucket to stuff full of packing cubes and a big mesh pocket on the opening flap. Even though we found the shoulder strap to be padded and comfortable, this bag can get heavy when overstuffed, so just make sure not to stuff it too full. All in all, the Air Travel Duffel is a solid pick if you're carrying around a bunch of tech. The Boundary Supply Errant Duffel offers a ton of customizable features whether you carry it backpack style or in duffel mode. Last straps with multiple attachment points can be configured several different ways to strap a skateboard or a yoga mat in backpack mode. And located throughout the bag are several magnetic attachment points where you can incorporate other Boundary Supply products to use their whole ecosystem together. There's also a luggage pass-through if you're traveling two-bag style. Switching between carry modes is easy too. Just hide the handles underneath the magnetic flaps to turn it into a backpack. And the backpack straps can be detached and tucked in, though it takes a bit of work. This bag offers a few ways to organize your gear depending on what you need to carry. There are two quick access pockets on the outside as well as a ventilated shoe compartment that can also be used to separate dirty clothes. Inside is a massive main compartment that can be opened up or cinched down via the compression straps with auto-locking buckles. While many other bags claim to be weather resistant, the Errant Duffel kicks it up a notch. YKK Stormguard zippers, waterproof Hypalon, and thick 500D Cordura fabric add extra protection. If you want another carry-on option for weekend trips, check out the Osprey Arcane Duffel, which is currently being tested by our content creator Aiden, so I don't have it here with me. It has a smaller capacity at 30 liters and thick grab handles to make it easy to get from the overhead bin. The main compartment is simple with a U-zip opening, mesh pocket, and ample space. Of all the hybrid duffels in this video, the Osprey Arcane nails backpack mode the best. Our content creator Aiden found the edgeless shoulder straps and cushioned back panel to be pretty comfortable during testing. They also feature a stealthy mesh pocket for your ID or credit card. Although they're not perfect, they can dig into your neck if the bag is packed too full. Some features that work well in backpack mode don't work quite as well when carried in duffel mode though. The quick grab pocket on the top is spacious and leader independent, but it's sideways when worn as a duffel. So be careful about your gear falling out when you unzip it. Despite the couple of nitpicks, we dig the Osprey Arcane Duffel's clean lines and simple organization. We also like the incredibly soft fabric, which is made of 12 recycled bottles. So there you have it, 10 awesome travel duffels for your next trip. If we missed your favorite travel duffel, we would love to hear about it down in the comments below, because remember, some of the best recommendations come from you, the Pack Hacker community, right here on YouTube. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.